Tell the coach to lay out the play and play it close for each yard. Other niggas gon' ride your wave, just stay afloat and keep calm. Still be ready to catch a fade and play the role of a warrior. Life will throw distractions every altitude. Always keep your word like the Beatitudes. Even when absurd people throw evil in your world, keep them a safe distance away from all your avenues. My little cousin and they call him Fantan. I taught him Molly, no, that's my little man. I bought him my new clothes and told him either way it goes, you better stay down with 2 toes, do what you can. Cause they gon' try to ruffle you feathers. Fuck with you, never budge, cause you better stay in line like Knuckles. You clever, much as you can, no substitute. Listen, shit, I told them haters, bye bitches. I just stay in my lane and my business. I ain't interested in fly-by riches from the sidelines. That's why I mind my